you want to oh, not like that. Cammie, Justin, I know you just want to stare at each other, but I would like for you just to take a moment and look at your guests here today. This is a group that has shared in some of your best and your worst days. This group has been an irreplaceable part of your yesterdays, your today, and your tomorrows. These people who love and support you have traveled from all over to join you in your celebration today.
Are you ready? You can't run around though, okay? No, stay right here.
Georgette.
Georgie, come.
The most special guest here today is in the front row. Is their daughter, Georgette. She is the perfect example of what Cammie and Justin's love is capable of. Always curious, cuddly, and cute as can be, she is the perfect combination of her parents. Today is not just for Cammie and Justin, but for Georgette to watch her parents choose marriage and promise each other a lifetime of love and support.
So Justin, what are you doing? You are marrying a girl who loves you unconditionally.
Oh no.
Hold on. Dances on sidewalks. Will make you chug oregano oil when you're sick. Will leave you love notes all over the house. Will lay on the beach with you for hours. Will keep a solid group of friends around you both. And will keep your love alive with her affection and constant assessment of whether or not you're okay. I can't look at you. So Cammie, what are you doing? You are marrying a man who warms up any room he walks into, is consistently kind, always willing to help. Don't touch me. Who loves you and Georgette with a twinkle in his eye. And most importantly, who will explain football to you for the next 70 years.
Okay, where am I? Screw this. Justin's a great guy. He's respectful. I've never seen you lose your temper. I've never seen you be a bad dad. I've never seen you be a bad guy. I want to be more like you. And for you to hook up with my sister is just amazing. Oh, wait. Yeah, I'm not real good at this stuff. For you to marry my sister in, I'm sure tonight. Oh, wait, you already have a child, so
In 2019, at the widely known and loved American Junkie in Hermosa Beach, little did Justin know Cammie had actually seen him at a tattoo shop a month prior and hadn't forgotten him. Cammie spotted him at the bar, immediately walked up and started interrogating him. What do you do for work? How old are you? Do you have hair under your hat? You know, her non-negotiables at the time. Cammy abruptly left for reasons no one quite understands, but was back within 10 minutes, and the two were inseparable. Their first date was then at Rebel in Redondo Beach. Cammy ordered a shot of tequila and a glass of wine, and Justin was shocked to learn that they were both for her.
Even though you left me at the bar after finding out how old I was, you ended up coming back to find me, and from that day on we became inseparable. You gave me a chance, and now you become my lover, my companion, my mother to a beautiful daughter, Georgette, and my best friend. There's no one else I want to build a life with. You have made me the happiest man in the world today by agreeing to share your life with me. I promise to cherish and respect you. I promise to care for you and protect you. I promise to comfort you and encourage you. I promise to be patient, and I promise to share my whole heart with you, to remember to show you how deeply I care for you, no matter the challenges that may come our way. I promise to love you forever.
Thank you. I have grown to know you since that first night, and the more I learn about you, the more I fall in love with you. You never have to be the loudest man in the room, because your consistently kind actions towards others speaks the loudest. You fully embody what it means to be a man. You are loyal, you are genuine, you are giving, you never judge others, and you make Georgette and I feel safe and seen. I promise to keep that fun, fully in love spark alive between us. I promise to be loyal to you and never fracture the trust we have worked hard to build with one another. I promise to laugh as much as we can in times of joy. More importantly, I promise to be your comfort in times of sadness. I promise to continue to be your teammate in parenthood. I promise to always aim to be a better version of myself, because you truly deserve nothing but the best. I promise to fiercely protect your heart, as your heart and your love have gifted me a life that brings me so much happiness. I promise to love you and cherish each and every day with you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lips pressed against the bottle, smelling on the Bible, baby, I never leave you. I remember how